Morning students. Today continue the chapter area related to circle. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Subtend right angle at the center 10 centimeter radius. It is a chord of the circle. The subtended angle is 90 degree. Subtended angle is 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. First, find area of the major sector. Area of major sector formula. The remaining portion is the area of the major sector. Using the formula 360 minus theta by 360 into pi r square. Therefore 360 minus theta is given 90 degree by 360 into pi oda value using 3.14 into radius oda value 10 into 10. Therefore 360 minus 90 oda value 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 100 2 digit thalli point vechina 314 10 cancelling 3 table 9 3s are 27 1 3s are 3 2 3s are 6. Next 3 3s are 9 4 3s are 12. Therefore 3 into 314 by 4. Therefore 942. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 1. 1 3s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9 by 4. Therefore cancel panina 235.5 centimeter square. 4 table cancel panina 235.5 centimeter square. Next, find the area of the minor segment. Area of minor segment means this portion. Therefore area of the sector OAPB. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle OAB. Therefore area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of the sector portion OAPB. Area of the sector or formula using theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle 1 by 2 using the formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta. 1 by 2 r square sin theta. Therefore the theta value is given 90 degree. 90 by 360 into pi value using 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 radius value 10 into 10 sin 90. Sin 90 value 1. Therefore 10 cancel. 1 9s are 9, 4 9s are 36. Therefore 1 by 4 into 314. 100 multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 digit தள்ளி பாயிண்ட் வச்சா 314 minus 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 10 oda value 50. Sin 90 oda value 1. Therefore the cross multiplying 4 ala cross multiply panna 314 minus 50 into 4 oda value 200 by 4. Therefore 114 by 4. 4 table cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 28.5 centimeter square. 2 4s are 8. Remaining value 334. 8 4s are 32. Point which are remainder 20. 5 4s are 20. 28.5 centimeter square. The area of the minor segment order value 28.5 centimeter square. A circle of radius 21 centimeter an arc subtend angle is 60 degree. At the center find, at the central and then the arc length 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. First question, find the length of the arc, this portion, find the length of the arc. Theta equal to 60 degree, r equal to 21 centimeter. The length of the arc formula, length of the arc, theta by 360 into 2 pi r, theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta oda value 60 by 360 to using pi oda value 22 by 7, radius oda value 21. 1 0 1 0 cancel, 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36, 1 7 are 7, 3 7 are 21. Therefore 1 2 are 2, 3 2 are 6, 3 3 cancel. Therefore the remaining value 22 centimeter. The length of the arc, the length arc oda length 22 centimeter. Next, area of the segment formed by the, next question, area of the sector formed by the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc. In the arc, area of the sector, this portion, area of sector formed by arc, it is a minor sector formed by the arc. Using formula theta by 360 into pi r square, or another formula 1 by 2 into r into L. Radius is given, length of the arc is given. Therefore given L இருக்கிறதால using the formula 1 by 2 r into L யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். 1 by 2 into r ஓட value 21, length ஓட value 22. Therefore 1 2s are 2, 11 2s are 22. Therefore 21 into 11 ஓட value 1 3 2, 231 centimeter square, 231 centimeter square, or using this formula theta by 360 into pi r square லையும் apply பண்ணலாம். Next, third subdivision, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. இந்த chord base பண்ணி area of the segment, therefore it is a minor segment, minor segment. Therefore area of minor segment, area of the minor segment equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of the sector, this portion, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. இதை subtract பண்ணிட்டா area of the minor segment ஓட value. Therefore area of the sector 231 is given, 231 centimeter square, minus area of the triangle oda formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta, using this formula 1 by 2 r square sin theta. Therefore 231 minus 1 by 2, r oda value 21 into 21 sin 60, sin 60. Therefore 231 minus 21 into 21 oda value 441 by 2 sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2. Therefore 231 minus 441 into 1.73 by 4, root 3 oda value 1.73, 2 into 2 4. Therefore 231 minus 441 into 1.73 multiply பண்ணி 4 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 190.95, approximate value 190.95. 231 minus 190.91 subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 40 centimeter square approximately. Your answer point variation ஆகலாம், approximate of 40 centimeter square. Question. A chord of a circle of radius r equal to 15 centimeters, subtend an angle is 60 degree. This 60 chord radius 15 centimeter. Corresponding minor segment and major segment of the circle. It is a minor segment. This portion is a major segment. This portion is a major segment. This minor segment is major segment. Theta equal to 60 degree. First to find out area of a minor segment. Area of a minor segment. Area of the minor segment formula. Area of the sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle, this portion, area of the sector, this whole portion, minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector oda formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle oda formula using 1 by 2 r square sin theta, or it is a equivalent triangle, 60 degree angle in the angle 60 in the angle 60. Therefore using root 3 by 4 into a square, equivalent triangle oda formula use பண்ணலாம். root 3 by 4 into a square or 1 by 2 r square sin theta. The theta oda value 60 by 360 into pi oda value using 3.14 is given, and root 3 oda value 1.73 is given. R oda value 15 into 15 minus 1 by 2, 15 into 15 sin 60. Therefore 1 0 1 0 cancel, 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36, 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 2 table cancel பண்ணா 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 7 2s are 14. Therefore 1.57 into 5 into 15 minus 1 by 2 into 15 into 15 oda value 225 into sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2. 1.57 5 into 15 the value of work out பண்ணுங்க 117.75 117.75 minus root 3 oda value 1.73 225 into 1.73 by dividing 4 value 97.31. Therefore 117.75 இருந்து 97.31 subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 20.44 centimeter square. Therefore area of the minor segment oda value 20.44 centimeter. Next to find out area of major segment. Area of the major segment using the formula area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Minor segment using area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Area of the circle oda formula pi r square minus area of the minor segment oda value 20.44. 20.44. Therefore 3.14 into 15 into 15 minus 20.44. 3.14 15 into 15 oda value 225 multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா 706.5 minus 20.44. Therefore 706.5 20.44 subtract பண்ணிங்கன்னா 686.06 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the major sector value, this area of the major sector 686.06 centimeter square. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. Chordல இருந்து subtended angle of 120 degree. The angle வந்து 120 degree. Radius 12 centimeter at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. The part ஏற்படுத்துகிற corresponding segment is a minor segment. Find out the minor segment. Therefore, required area or area of the minor segment theta by 360 into pi r square, area of the sector whole portion minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle using this formula. Above 90 degree இருந்தா r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 using this formula. 120 by 360 into using pi oda value 3.14 r square 12 into 12 minus 12 into 12 120 by 2 sin 60 into cos 60. 10 cancel. 12 into 12 12 into 12 காமனா வெளியே எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா 12 12s are 144. 1 12s are 12, 3 12s are 36. 1 by 3 into 3.14 minus sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 cos 60 oda value 1 by 2. Therefore, 144 3.14 divided by 3 table cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1.046 minus root 3 oda value 1.73 by 4. 2 into 2 oda value 4. 1.73 4 ஆல cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா 0.432. Therefore, 144 into 1.046 minus 0.43 subtract பண்ணா 0.614. 144 into 0.614 multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா value 88.416 centimeter square. 88.416 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the minor segment oda value 88.416 centimeter square.